are at the gym, and I just want to play some one-on-one. And you know, I'm looking around. There's a bunch of noobs playing and stuff, and so you know, I just want people in my competition. You know, I don't want to, you know, beat someone too bad or anything. And I don't know, just looking around. There's games going on over there, but there's this one guy here who he's just shooting around, and I don't know. I mean, you think I should ask him?
Yeah, go ask him. Go see if he wants to play.
So hey, you want to play one-on-one?
Are you kidding? You got Velcros on, man.
Tyler, who does he think he is? I don't know. Let's see what he's got. It's like totally no good. He made like, okay, he made a few of them, but I don't know. I'm gonna do it. All right, let's do it.
Get that camera out of my face. I had that thing.
Let me tell you something. Only the pros roll with the Cros.